I'm Aaron Pianicete and welcome to my blog. Today, I'll be sharing my experience about thoughts about the laboratory of evidence here at PCCR. So, first question, what I'm most excited to try in this laboratory? Honestly, I'm super excited to experience the hands-on activity like handling evidence, properly collecting fingerprints, and learning how real investigation are done. It feels like stepping into the shoe of actual investigator. Next, what skill do I expect to gain? I believe I learn attention to details, proper evidence handling, and critical thinking when analyzing crime scenes. These skills are really important for the accuracy and integrity in criminology. Finally, how will these skills help in my criminology journey and future career? They will help me become more prepared and professional in handling real life cause, ensuring that I can contribute to justice with honesty and precision. That it's that it's for today. Thank you for watching.